My face look like this. It's just happened. I sleep and I wake up, I feel like my face is so stronger. And look now, you guys. I don't know why my face look like this, and I have nothing to do. Just you guys, if you have something, if you have this experience in your life, or you have a friend who get a problem that I have, please guys help me, because I just vlogging this video. I have nothing to do, I have nothing to say. My kids scare me. You guys scare me. My first kid scared me. All my kids, they scare me. They're like, what happened your face, mom? What happened your face? And I don't know why exactly my face look like this. I sleep and I wake and I see this, you guys. I don't know. I'm very sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on. Anyone who have this experience, look at my face, how it look like. I'm very, very scared, guys. At only my young age, I look like someone who have like 70, 80 years old. I don't know. I take this video, but you guys scare me. Huh? We go right now. I'm going to hospital because my face, it look.
What
I look. This is crazy. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, guys. Just anyone, please drop comment, help me. I don't know what happened to my face. I didn't put anything in my face. I just sleep normally and I wake. And I was thinking maybe I dreaming, but I take my face. When I touch my face, I screaming, I screaming. Guys, trust me, I cry, but I can't see the tears. I don't know. Are you guys scare me?
Yeah, I'm not.
That's my girls. They scare me, guys.
I'm not.
You wanna scare me?
Yeah.
Guys, the life is changing, and I don't know why my face is changing like this. Right now, I'm going to go hospital, but I don't know what they're gonna help me.
Let's get a cookie instead. Yeah, let's get cookies.
I don't know. Even I can wash my my face. The same. There is nothing changing. In just few minutes, the face, it's the same. Oh, what happened? Oh man, away. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Wait for me. No, I don't.
Umuntu uzi ko ibi bintu yigeze yabibonaho mu buzima, cyangwa nawe bikamugeraho akaryama akabyuka agasanga isura wagira ngo bayimenyeho amagi aruma, cyangwa bayimenyeho ibindi bintu, kubera ko iyi wenda si mask ngo ndi gukora sinzi ibintu byambayeho. Rero just mfashe iyi video please, nimba uzi ko ibintu byigeze byakubaho. If this happened for you or for any friend,
Don't worry, I don't need
please, I just need help. I need help. I don't know what happened to my face. As woman, I want to look good. I want to look just normal. Even my little boy, he scared me. He's breastfeeding, but he scared me because of my face. I don't know what to do. I don't know, it's hard even to cry, imagine. Pero ndabasabye, please, wherever you are, just drop comment if you have something you think maybe it can help me. Please help me. Comment. Your comment is very, very important. Please.
What kind of feels like this? Here.
I don't know. I never call anyone in my family. Nta muntu n'umwe nigeze mpamagara.
Yeah, but you need to put a
kuri ibi biri kumbaho
so
ariko nimubona ibi bintu
yeah.
nukunihanganira I don't know since example. My family, please help me. I don't know.
Pepperoni.
Just call me or call my husband. But I don't know what happened for me. I don't
You
know.
don't want a pepperoni? Yeah. You better try it. It will
Tuzaja kwa muganga tubabwire ibyambayeho. Sinzi icyo bamfasha. Ndi koga in few minutes bikagaruka. Rero I'm so scared and I don't know what to do.
Let's
My face is changing from nowhere.
already go.
Yeah.
Let's eat it.
I don't know what to do, to be honest.
Good. Watch is good too.
Ndi kubura icyo mvuga. Briella, are you scaring me?
No.
Because I just get a bad face. Do you scare me, Mom?
Yes.
Oh, Brianna, do you scare me too?
Yes.
So I don't know what's gonna happen for me.
Maybe you have to wait. So scary. Maybe you have to wait until next Tuesday.
Why next Tuesday?
Maybe you'll get better.
Why next Tuesday, Briella?
Mommy, look at your hair either.
Because maybe.
I know, it just everywhere. Look to my ear too. This is so sad.
How's this happened?
You know, since I wake up in the morning, you guys see me like this. So
When you wake up in the morning and
yeah.
you give us dinner, I just saw you like this. So you went to go exercise. Good.
Don't make it. It's hard even to laughing. I didn't touch anything, Mom. My face just changed completely.
Strange.
Okay, guys, go. I just talk to my people. Isura yanjye imeze nk'umuntu ufite imyaka hafi ijana. 100 years. Abana banjye bari kuntinya sinzi ngo ndakora iki noneho karabaye. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Ariko I do need help because this is ibi bintu niho bikimbaho. Sinzi rero ubu koko nzajya nkora amavideo meze gutya. I don't know if I'm no longer to create any video. Look at my face. Okay, guys. Nimba, you guys, you have anything to help me, please? My IG Instagram, it's Jane Muhoze. Please send me SMS. It will help me. And please drop any comment. Please, guys, I need help. I don't know what happened on my face. This is no prank. This is no joke. I just need help. And I just take this video. I gotta go hospital right now, and I don't know if I will. I hope I will feel better. Thank you so much for watching.